Pool, but I believe that is probably closed for the season. The Mountain Laurel Edgewater Suite is actually connected to the indoor pool. Now, this particular room that we are staying in has an adjacent room, and this is where my other children are staying. So you can close this over and you come in here. You can tell my sons have already been in this room because the beds are a little bit messy, but this is where they're staying. So it is 2 queen-size beds, and this is a queen pull-out sleeper sofa. And it also has the same type of deck here with a gorgeous view. With Brody and my son Connor. And they also have an amazing view as well. And my son Duncan.
Hello.
So this room also has their own closet. And it has their own bathroom. And we are right next to each other. And this is just an amazing, amazing place. We're already so impressed with how cozy and homey and peaceful that this all is. Again, this is Mountain Laurel building, Edgewater Suites at Woodloch Resort.